Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by examining the damaged area and deciding where to cut. Make a clean cut about 1-2 cm from visible damage. Once done, remove 10-12 mm of outer jacket with a precision knife and peel back shielding. Make sure to note color codes or mark each conductor. USB-C uses multiple pairs, so label as you go. Prepare heat shrink segments and keep a magnifier near. You act quickly but deliberately to avoid nicking inner wires. Once conductors are exposed, identify V-bus red, G and D black, configuration CC pins, and D+/D or super speed pairs. Consult pin layout if unsure. Make sure to trim all wires to even lengths, then tin each conductor lightly to stabilize strands. You solder corresponding wires together or use high-quality insulated crimp splices for a more robust joint. After each connection cools, slide heat shrink over the join and apply heat. This prevents shorts and restores mechanical integrity while maintaining signal routing. You finish by applying a final outer heat shrink and retucking or rebraiding the shield to restore EMI protection, then add a strain relief sleeve to reduce stress at the joint. Next, test continuity across all conductors and measure V-bus under load. Make sure devices negotiate power and data rolls. If things go wrong, re-examine CC resistor placement and cold solder joints, because lost CC signaling or abridged super speed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.